Okay, Bolo buddies, let's go to some garage sales. Let's see what we can find.
Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so I'm walking up to the house and I look in the first box and I see a bunch of Avon, and I remembered seeing the ad for this garage sale and I was going to skip it, but I did not remember the address, and I just happened to be driving through a neighborhood on the way to another garage sale and I saw a sign, so I went ahead and stopped. Not my style of garage sale. You guys let me know if I missed something. I very well could have, because I kind of, sometimes you go up and you're like, oh, it's going to be all new items or pallets or stuff that maybe you're not completely into. I kind of had that mentality. There was also some jewelry over here. I think it's paparazzi or something like that. Is that direct sales? I'm not 100% sure. And don't get me wrong, like, Avon is completely fine, but I prefer garage sales that have pre-owned items, not new items. Now, if they're new old stock or vintage, I'm good with that. I'm looking for things to sell, not personal items.
I'm driving to this garage sale and I saw this sign and it reminded me of Chosen Goods Reseller.
Okay, guys, so this sale, I come to this sale every year. They have 2 or 3 every summer, and they typically have some good stuff. This necklace was from last season, and I looked at their ad, and they had said that they had lots of new stuff, so I was kind of excited to bring you guys here because, like I said, they typically have vintage and old items. I don't know if they go to auctions or estate sales or where they source their inventory, but it's multiple families or one family with multiple people in the family that come together and they have this garage sale together. They may even be friends. I have no idea. But when I check out, there's always different people getting different amounts of money from what I bought, if that makes sense. So, they did have some decent jewelry, but a lot of the prices were higher. It's their first garage sale of the season, so I would expect that. I didn't pick up any of the jewelry. I did find some stuff here, and we'll get to that later in the video. But I'm just kind of looking through stuff. These little Holly Hoppy earrings, I remember seeing them last year and thinking I should have got them, but I asked them how much they were, and they said $7, and I'm just not in it for $7. And you guys let me know what you think. Do you think I should get the earrings? I could probably go back. They're probably still there. Let me know what you think. I know Holly Hobby can be collectible, but I just wasn't feeling it for 7. Now this little thing right here, I'm not sure what it is. It seemed to be waterproof. It was really cute. I almost bought it. Again, let me know in the comments, would you have bought it, and what is it? I mean, it's not a bib because it's kind of a rectangle. I don't know. It was just weird, but it was really cute. And it was definitely vintage. So they had a linens table. I mean, they definitely know what they're doing. I'm not sure if they resell on eBay or not, or if it's just kind of, they have garage sales for fun and to make a little extra money. It could be that the stuff they think is collectible that they put on eBay, and then this is a means to get rid of the other items. I'm not really sure. I did pick up something super, super cool here. I don't know if it's going to sell. I'm going to wait and get you guys' feedback on it. I'm pretty sure I show it in the video pretty well. And if I don't, at the end of the video, I will go and I will grab the items and I will show close-ups, because I just can't recall. I did this over the weekend and I'm just now getting to the voiceover. So sometimes videos sit on my phone until I have time to like sit down and watch it again. Lots of cool items, but just nothing was jumping out at me like, oh, I gotta have this. Oh, I think this will sell well. glass. You guys know I'm not big into breakables. I don't like to ship them. This was kind of cute, but shipping nightmare, maybe not, but I don't know. I picked it up. I looked at it, but I put it back. Christmas, vintage Christmas. I really like vintage Christmas. There was one plush I'm going to ask you guys about too. It's later in the video. I thought about getting it. I could not find the exact comp, but I did find some comps and they weren't really high, but it was really old. So we'll check that out here shortly. So there's lots of tables, lots of cute stuff, but just a lot of bread and butter. And I have a ton of inventory right now. So the last thing, honestly, that I need to be doing is sourcing. But it is my favorite part of my job is sourcing. These were really cool. Do you guys think I should have bought these? And this is Saturday. I also went on Friday and I did super, super well, but I have zero footage because it was raining. And I was like, I'm not messing with my phone in the rain, and I didn't get any footage, but I did go to a garage sale that had a bunch of vintage items, and I probably picked up 3 boxes of stuff. It was amazing. I haven't decided. I may try to do a video just to show you guys what I got, but I don't know. Do you guys like videos where I just show you what I bought, or do you prefer to see me actually at the garage sale like this? Let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. This is really cute, but it was broken. And it took me a minute to see that it was broken. Do you guys ever do that? You look at something, you're like, oh, I'm going to get it. And then you're like, oh, it's broken. Or do you ever get home and find out that everything you bought was broken? Yeah, you guys have seen a few videos where I've done that. So this table is just like cosmetics and stuff. I don't know if they were new old stock or not. I probably should have looked at them better, but I didn't. Okay, we're coming up on that plush here very, very soon. Okay, here it is. Should I have bought it? I don't know how much it was. It's very, very cute. I like the color combination, I think. And this guy's really, really old, but he was just not in good enough condition. Maybe some of these I should have grabbed, but like this little turtle. Should I have got the little turtle? All right. My clock, you guys. Bolo Buddies is known for the clock during her voiceovers. There's always the clock. Okay, I'm wondering if I should have bought these. I picked them up, I sat them down. I picked them up later, I sat them back down. I think they're very, very cute, but I felt like they would be super long tail. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I always like to get your feedback because everybody has different opinions on things. I know my estate sale video, oh my goodness, the comments. Everybody thought I missed a lot of stuff. So if you guys missed my estate sale video, definitely go check that out. Talk about amazing vintage, old, just stuff everywhere. That video is good. Okay, here's what I bought. So I paid $5 for all of these. Now, I don't know why I'm just drawn to these things that people make. I don't think this is, I think it's pronounced decoupage. I don't think that's what this is. These are more of maybe something three-dimensional that somebody has glued onto a piece of wood, but they're just interesting to me. The ones with the hair, I don't know, I just think they're cool. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it for $5 for all of them. I'm gonna do it. If this book would have been in better condition, I would have grabbed it, but it was falling apart. But the front picture was flocked. And maybe I should have grabbed it just for that front page because people collect items like that, but I didn't. Some locks, I did not look any of them up. I know that some locks can be a bolo. I did grab this little guy because he said Japan on the bottom. And you guys know that I love Japan Christmas. So I did pick him up. So I picked him up and I picked up those little plaques. And I mean, there's definitely interesting stuff. It's definitely it makes for a good video because there's just so much old, different stuff. So where am I going? I think I'm going back to the pictures. No. Oh, I'm at a different sale. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I left that sale, and which sale is this? I'm having trouble remembering. Oh no, this is the same sale. Is it? I think it is. Bear with me here. I'm trying to remember which sale this is. No, this is a different sale. I can't remember. I don't know. I know which sale this is. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was drawing a complete blank. I think those were just like little crafts that maybe a kid made. I did not end up buying anything here. In fact, while I was there, I heard them talking and they're like, well, whatever we don't sell, it's just going to the thrift store. But they were talking to each other. And I was like, okay, well, I'm sure the garage sale prices will be cheaper than the thrift store. But it's funny because that's what's great about thrift stores in the summer. All of the garage sale items always end up at the thrift stores. I love it. So if I miss the garage sale, I might find the items at the thrift store. Little salt and pepper shakers, but nothing that stood out as a big money item. And I could be wrong. So if you guys see something, let me know in the comments. I love looking at the comments for videos like this because everybody's like, you missed it, you missed it. And I just record with my phone. I don't have a GoPro or anything like that. Now, these were really cute. I almost picked these up. I probably should have because they're adorable. And I feel like I see girl blankets all the time, but not a lot of boy. And I think one of them was a police officer and one was a firefighter. So that was kind of cool. I probably should have got those. I don't know if they were handmade or what. And then there's a tote of plush. I did look through that. And I'm sure there were some bread and butter items in here. There were a bunch of turtles. I probably could have got all those little turtles and lotted those up together. But I just didn't want to mess with it. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Somebody liked turtles. Look at them all. Little turtles. That was a bag of McDonald's toys. When I first saw it, I was like, ooh, toys, toys in a bag. You guys know I love getting toys in bags. And there are 2 more sales that I go to after this, short ones. And they're out in the country, as you can see here. All right. So this sale, I did not buy anything. I'm telling you before I even get to the sale. But this was super cool. So this is a blanket made out of jeans. And my mind is just thinking, I wonder if there are any Big E Levi's because they all seem like they were vintage. But I did not, I didn't look. I did not check. Let's see. There was some stuff here, but there really wasn't much left. I don't know if it just got picked over on Friday and Friday. There's an old instrument. Instruments are good to look up, but I did not look it up. I have a tendency to pass on instruments just because I don't know enough about them. I have done well on the ones that I've picked up in the past. Never anything big money, but I usually pick them up cheap and sell them for a nice profit, but nothing huge. Here's a bag of Barbies. These are more like from the 90s, I think. I did not see anything that really stood out to me as really old or really valuable. But again, I'm learning about Barbies. I don't know a ton about it. I like the older ones with, this guy was kind of cool. He had like hair that was like flocked. So maybe I should have got him. I don't know. There was also a box of Boy Scout patches and old clothing. I think it's right, yeah, right here. That vest was cool. Maybe I should have picked this up. They wanted $20 for the box, but the patches didn't seem super old. I definitely probably could have made money, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Did I mess up? Should I have grabbed the box of Boy Scout stuff? The rest is just some clothes. I don't know. It just didn't, I don't know. I didn't do it. I didn't get it. Now I'm wondering if I should have. All right. We are almost done at this sale and we are going to head to the next one. All right, so this one is across the street, and I actually missed out on a couple other sales that were on the same street that closed down early, which is a bummer. I think I must be going up a hill or down a hill. I don't know, that looked weird. Let's see. I did buy something here. I don't know if I was recording. I think I was. This was kind of cool. It was Disney Tigger. It was like from Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, is he a tiger? A bouncing tiger? I don't know why I didn't get it. I did look at these boots. I was thinking about maybe getting those for my husband, but I don't think they were the right size. And I asked them how much, and I think they wanted like 60 or 70 bucks for them. And granted, they were new, but I'm looking for garage sale prices. And then there's this really cool butterflies. And I usually pick these up, but I did ship one a while back that got damaged during shipment, so I just kind of had that thought in my mind. I did pick up this. Look how cool it is. What kind of dog is this? It says made in Japan, and again, I love made in Japan, so I went ahead and bought that for $1. But I need to know what kind of dog it is so I can see if I can find comparables. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.